left today. Jesus never lands, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on,
What is up, y'all? We are at the gym right now, about to head in. We're gonna go crush a great push workout again. I know the last video was another push workout, but you know what? That's just how it kind of lined up. So we got another push workout for you guys today. Not much to update you on this morning. Still about 190. We're just coasting around 190. Maybe gonna put on another like 1 or 2 pounds, but probably not in the next week or two, because in about 2 weeks we're gonna be starting that mini cut. We're gonna shed off some fat in a pretty short amount of time. Hopefully we're hoping to do it within like 4 to 6 weeks of a mini cut, just to get the body fat a little bit down and get right back into a gaining phase, because I want to be in a gaining phase as much as I can over the next year and a half before I compete in my next show, because I want to make sure I'm putting on as much mass as possible before that show. But with all that said, don't forget, we're trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of June, like this June 2025. If we do that, I'll be giving away a tub of Raw Nutrition's creatine monohydrate to one of you guys. So just, they should be sharing, subscribing, liking, all that stuff, helping it hit the algorithm, get in front of more people. And then if we hit that 100 subscribers, one of y'all might get a free tub of creatine. So that's pretty awesome. Anyways, I'm going to quit yapping. We got plenty of time to do that while we're in the gym. So I'm going to get in there and we're going to get this workout going. So I will see y'all in the gym.
I just feel like I'm channeling something. Feel the noise.
No love, no feelings. I choke on the air I'm breathing. I'm done, I'm healing. Ain't nobody stopping the bleeding. Death with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left inside. Jank to the static in my mind, and I can't hide. This rage I just can't escape. Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. Breaking through my mistakes. Free fall into place. I'm not insane.
Might have to go up and weight today. The first working set felt really good, so I think we're gonna go up for the next 3. Cool. My forehead's so itchy right now, bro. The Savage pre-workout from Raw Nutrition, go to RSF. But that stuff's got me locked in and feeling right now. I went with a 2 scoop today. Really get it going, but so yeah, I shouldn't have any excuses for today's workout. Got the pre-workout in me. I slept amazing last night. I haven't had a bad sleep lately, but last night was incredible, so that's good. I got my pre-workout carbs, had my normal oatmeal. Only excuse I could come up with is I'm not as hydrated as normal because I came in earlier, so I haven't had as much time to, drink fluids and liquids and electrolytes, all that good stuff. And I haven't had as many calories as I normally would have in the workout because I'm coming in the morning instead of afternoon like I normally would. But I got my intra carbs, my Gatorade, so that should help with the calories and even the hydration. So no excuses today. We're just making a great lift. So let's get into these next 3 sets with more weight.
Feel the noise.
My scars keep screaming. I live through the pain for a reason. My God, my anger, it drives me down like an anchor. I'm deaf with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left inside. Jank to the static in my mind, and I can't hide. This rage
Still got 10 on those last 3, but my word, it's a battle close to failure, just like you want. Alright, well, so I technically did PR up on those cable flies, which is great, but now we'll see how the incline press goes. Hopefully I can at least do what I normally do, which is this, I do like 155, more of a guillotine style, so I kind of go higher up, more towards like my upper chest to throat where I bring the bar, and then press it up. A little more dangerous, you can't do quite as much weight, so I mean, either have these safety bars like I have in place or a spotter if you're going to try these. But yeah, hopefully we can get still 4 sets of 10 with it. I mean, I'm feeling decent, so we'll see what happens, but yeah, let's do this first set and see how it feels.
You have for takeaway, you have for
I've been thinking to be happier, to be happier.
where are you
Lately,
now?
I've been thinking. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends.
Only 9 on that first set. That's okay. We'll shoot for at least 9, but still shooting for 10, but at least 9 on the next 4. Guess the weight's staying the same today, though. Still felt good. Just, I think the fatigue that I built up after going a lot heavier on my pre-exhaust with the flies took it out of me. Oh well.
Someone you leave behind, I'll break your heart so you don't break mine. For I love you, na na na. Gonna leave you, na na na. Even if I am not here to stay, I still want you home. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in the fantasy? Where are you now?
Well, as you saw, those last 2 sets of incline bench didn't quite go as planned. I didn't get as many as I wanted. I ended up failing on like 7 and 6 respectively for both of them, but that's okay. I think as long as you're getting over like 5-ish reps, you're pretty good. Just kind of push towards failure. Try to get close to failure. 1 or 2 reps left in the tank. Me personally, I usually just push all the way to failure, as you pretty much saw in those last 2. That's just because then I know I don't have anything left in the tank. And some people will say that maybe that fatigues you a little bit more, but it might. It might not be optimal doing how I'm doing it, but I enjoy training that way, so I'm going to keep doing it. And I mean, I feel like the extra fatigue doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to like get smaller or not make gains at all. I'm still going to make gains, just maybe at a slightly slower rate than someone who's doing it absolutely optimally. So I think I'm going to keep doing the way I want you to keep intensity up, keep training hard, and keep growing, rather than coming in here just doing the motions and then not using the intensity I need by accident, but trying to be optimal and then also not growing as fast. So I mean, double-edged sword. Trying to be super optimal can hurt you, but also training completely unoptimal will also hurt you. I feel like get a mix of both. Do whatever you like, Ed. Do whatever keeps you consistent and keeps you training hard. But anyways, on to my decline cable flies or high to low flies or cable crossovers, whatever you want to call them. We're onto those. So let's get into these. Another 4 sets as usual. Get into these, keep the workout progressing, keep moving through this so I can get home and play some Fallout 4. Been loving that game lately. I don't know why. Just been binging it. Let me know if anyone else has gotten a weird itch for some Fallout recently.
I'm breathing alive. Where are you from? Is that what came between us, or did we do this song? So how do we get here? I'm asking myself why I'm so caught up. Better if we do this song.
Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave.
Under the bright, the fading lights, you set my heart on fire. But where are you now? Where are you now? Breathing, I said I can't stay. Do I have to give a reason? It's just me makes what I want. So how do we get here? 3 weeks now we've been so caught up. Better if we do this alone. You were the shadow to my life. Did you fall? And now it's gone.
Well, those skull crushers felt incredible. Couldn't get as many reps as usual, but like I said, pushing to failure, that's what matters, blah, 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 all that. I already talked about it. But, now we're on the shoulders, kind of. The first thing I usually do is a high incline chest/shoulder press thing. You'll see I arch my back pretty high, put my chest to the sky to try to really target that clavicular head, the upper chest, basically. Because as we talked about earlier, I got a bird chest and I need all the help I can get on my chest, and my shoulders don't do this much work. So this will hit chest and then some front delt, and then after this we're gonna just move straight into some lateral raises, and that will be the workout. So we're almost done. We can almost get back into some Fallout 4, get back to the Commonwealth. I've literally been so addicted to that game lately. I don't know why. I'm just always thinking about playing it, doing a new run. I haven't played the game since probably the first time I actually fully beat it, which was way back when it came out. I don't even remember when, however many years ago, 2015, 2016-ish, around then. So it's been a while since I've played it, but doing a Brotherhood of Steel run right now. Just a walking tank and some power armor, gunning down everything in my path. It's so much fun. But we're not playing Fallout right now, we're working out. So let's get into the set. Let's keep the intensity up. Hit these 4 sets, hit some lateral raises, and then we'll call it a day there. Let's get to it.
I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave.
I'm gonna be killed simply because that's what everyone else wants? It's not fair. I can't stand it. It pisses me off. All I want is to make them understand. I'm here to fight for underdogs everywhere. Good, evil, I reject them both.
All right, that is the workout, people. It was a great push day. The pump was immaculate, but I mean, there is no buts. I didn't like progress, I guess, technically in all of my lifts. I PR'd on the flies, but that was about it. But that's fine. I'm happy with how the lift went. The pump was good. I still feel like it was a very successful and productive lift, so I can't be mad at that. It's all about just progress, day after day, consistency. Keep high intensity and stay consistent, and you're gonna grow. It's as easy as that. So that's all I got today. I'm gonna go home now, eat some food, hang out with my dog, maybe play some Fallout. But otherwise, I got nothing for you guys. I appreciate y'all watching, and if you stuck around to the end, more power to you. But I appreciate it. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. They'll be out every Monday around 6 p.m. That's what I shoot for. Every Monday at 6 p.m. Central Time. That's where I am. But that's about it. That's all I got for you guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. We can get to that 100 subscribers and get one of you a free tub of creatine. So let's crush that goal. June 2025, 100 subscribers. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you sticking around. Peace.